Good morning. Good morning, boys. Good morning, parents. I sincerely hope, parents, you're tuning in to the next exciting instalment of A Message from the Head. Well, we're a day in. I hope everything went well yesterday. I hope people are coming to terms with the way in which we are teaching our lessons now, and I sincerely hope, boys, that you are getting a lot out of the lessons as we progress through the next week or two. This is a strange time, and there will be many of you who are feeling rather strange indeed. I'll take you back to last week. Last Thursday, busy time at school, as you can imagine, trying to prepare lessons to be taught, trying to prepare for this week and what have you. And then on Thursday morning, I received a phone call from Cornwall, where my parents were staying because, in my wisdom, I had sent them away, trying to isolate them from what was going on up in the cities. And the phone call went something like this: Alistair, unfortunately, your father's been taken seriously ill. And it transpired that my dad had had a heart attack. So on Thursday night, after a busy day at school, I charged down to Cornwall to go and see him, and then drove back that night, getting home just before midnight. The great news is, it was minor, it was mild, and he is making a full recovery. But it's instances like that that focus the mind. As we progress through the coming days, weeks and months, our families are going to be massively important to us. So boys, I say this: you're cooped up at home, parents, family members will be there to help and support you. But just remember that this is one of those occasions where we pull together, we value our families, we get on with each other. We don't cause our parents undue problems because we're bored. We're in this together, guys, alright? And all I say to all of you, young and not so young, boys, girls in EYFS, boys further up the school, just remember, our families are the most important things we have. And particularly in times like this, and if you pull together, and if you support each other, and if you behave yourselves, we'll all get through this, and we'll come out the other side, and life will return to normal. So keep working hard, enjoy each other's company, because you're going to be spending a lot of time together, and value every family member, and behave yourselves. I'll speak to you tomorrow, chaps. All the best.